Hello everyone! The entire global cryptocurrency market is focusing its attention on Pi Network. Most pioneers are overjoyed, but a small number are quite disappointed because they are in countries where Picoin is not supported for listing. They are frustrated with the PiCore team because the three largest exchanges in the world have yet to list Pi Network, preventing them from selling their Picoins. pifromus completely understands your feelings. Your frustration is natural when pioneers in other countries are already rushing to deposit Pi coins on OKX, BitGet, or Gate.io to prepare for selling, while you can only stand by and watch. We understand you. However, we ask that you take the time to watch this entire video to realize that, in the face of Pi Network, even the world's three largest exchanges are insignificant, and the fact that you haven't been able to sell your Pi coin yet might actually be a blessing in disguise. Don't miss a second. If you find this video helpful and informative, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. pifromus sincerely appreciates your support. First, let's take a look at the three exchanges currently considered the largest in the world, according to CoinMarketCap rankings. These rankings are based on various criteria, such as market capitalization, trading volume, and user base. But in your opinion, which is the most important and irrefutable criterion? Market capitalization can be inflated, and trading volume can be artificially increased by exchange bots as much as they want. These criteria do not accurately reflect an exchange's true strength. The only metric that cannot be faked is the number of users, more specifically the loyalty of those users. According to the latest statistics, Binance has 170 million users, Coinbase has 108 million users, and BitGet has only 25 million users. Meanwhile, Pi Network had around 70 million active users who consistently mined Pi coin across 3 consecutive cycles before the open mainnet announcement. However, after Pi Network announced Open Network, the number of returning users immediately surged by 50%, reaching 105 million users. Once Pi Network officially launches Open Mainnet, its user base is expected to double to 200 million. At this growth rate, reaching 1 billion users within 2025 is entirely possible. Have you realized the true scale of Pi Network? Its growth rate after Open Mainnet will be truly impressive. No exchange can develop at such a speed. Binance and Coinbase have also recognized this. For other cryptocurrency projects, exchanges impose numerous requirements, conditions, and listing fees. However, when it comes to Pi Network, they are rolling out the red carpet, hoping to list Picoin. In short, Pi Network doesn't need exchanges. Exchanges need Pi Network. So why doesn't Pi Network allow exchanges to freely list Picoin, enabling people worldwide to buy and sell it as they please? The issue is that PiCore team cannot do that. You need to understand that Pi Network is a project under Social Chain Inc., a US-based company originating from Stanford University. It operates legally and holds licenses in the US, Europe, the UK, and China. Therefore, Pi Network must comply with the laws of the jurisdictions that have granted it licenses. Picoin cannot be listed on exchanges that fail to meet KYB or Know Your Business compliance requirements. This may take more time, but it is absolutely necessary because Pi Network aims to be used not only by individuals, but also by large corporations, banks, and even governments. Legal compliance is crucial for this vision. So, if you haven't been able to deposit your Picoin on an exchange to sell, consider it a blessing in disguise. If you sell Picoin now, its price may not be as high as it could be in the future. With time, Picoin's value will grow steadily and significantly. However, if you could deposit and sell your Picoin today, pifromus is certain that you wouldn't be able to hold on to it until it reaches a higher value. In a way, Pi Network is helping you maximize your profits by preserving your Picoin for you. To be completely transparent, we at pifromus have locked our Picoin for 3 years. We don't plan to start selling until 2027 or 2028. Beyond just numbers, community strength also depends on quality and loyalty. This is where Pi Network surpasses all other projects and exchanges. Users of traditional exchanges have no loyalty. They simply use them as tools for profit. In contrast, Pi Network has built a dedicated and committed community like no other. By tomorrow, Binance's 170 million users could completely disappear, migrating to another exchange if a competitor offers them better conditions. For instance, if OKX lists Pi Network while Binance does not, OKX could attract a massive wave of Binance users. But in Pi Network, over 70 million real pioneers have demonstrated their loyalty for 6 years, patiently waiting for the project to reach open mainnet. Why is that? Because Pi Network's approach to community building is entirely different. For most crypto projects today, the formula is simple. 1. Form a team, develop an idea. 2. Raise investment through seed and private rounds. 3. List the token via IDO, initial DEX offering. 4. Market aggressively with exaggerated claims. Our blockchain is the fastest, our ecosystem is the biggest, our GameFi is the best. Invest now for huge passive income. 5. Attract as much capital as possible before the hype fades. Pi Network never followed this model. The first version of its white paper was simple and free of exaggeration. It focused on real goals, fixing some weaknesses of Bitcoin, allowing free mining on mobile, technically a fair coin distribution method called minting, putting users at the center and ensuring global accessibility. The roadmap was brief and did not include fundraising or investment requirements. By late 2021, the second white paper version provided a more complete picture reflecting real progress achieved over the previous 2 years: Pi blockchain and tokenomics, mainnet roadmap, decentralized KYC system, expanding the Pi ecosystem. Because Pi Network's growth model is so different from traditional crypto projects, its community is built differently too. No financial investment required. Pioneers didn't have to spend money to participate, instead they could increase their mining speed by inviting friends. It might sound like a pyramid scheme, but in reality, it's a single-level referral system, and most importantly, no money is involved. Think of Pi Network's community as a tree's root system. A main root grows smaller roots, which then sprout even finer roots. Some weaker roots will break off, but only the strongest ones will endure. Over time, this creates a solid foundation, allowing the tree to stand firm and thrive. This organic, resilient growth strategy is why Pi Network's community is unmatched in both size and loyalty. So, if 10 small roots grow from one main root, it's completely natural that only 1 or 2 strong ones continue to develop while the other 8 wither away. These 8 dying roots represent the people who stopped mining Pi. They joined with a speculative mindset, seeking quick profits, hoping to get rich overnight. In reality, these individuals do not contribute to Pi Network's ecosystem. Instead, they only harm its long-term growth. This means that the process of building the pioneer community is essentially a natural selection process. This community growth model was developed by Dr. Chengdiao Fan, a Stanford PhD in anthropology, a field that specializes in studying human evolution and mass psychology. Of course, there will always be imperfections in any system. The Pi Network community still has some flaws, as the selection process is ongoing. However, we are now approaching the tipping point where the true explosive growth will begin, right after open mainnet. At pifromus, we believe that Pi Network's community building model surpasses all other crypto projects and exchanges. No other blockchain project or trading platform has built a network that is both massive and deeply loyal. Today, Pi Network has already established a solid foundation, successfully introducing blockchain technology to people of all social classes, races, and backgrounds worldwide. That is why pifromus firmly believes in Pi Network's future. Pi Network will change the world in ways we cannot yet imagine, and because of that, we would rather witness its impact than sell Pi coins for money, even if Pi coin reaches $1,000 per coin. Good luck, pioneers, your Pi, your choice.